Wait, bro, what happened?
It's shaking my window.
Are you serious?
Yes. It shakes my record player and my TV. Like it shakes my whole room.
For real?
Yes, dude.
Dude, that thing was only a 1500 watt amp.
Well, dude, that shit shook my whole fucking room.
Alright, my bad, bro.
That's why I called. I was like, dude, you're gonna break my window.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the Hyanka 1500 watt Class D car audio amplifier. Now they have a 1500 watt and a 1200 watt. This is going to be the 1500 watt. If you want me to review the 1200 watt, let me know down in the description or the comments down below. And yeah, I'm really excited to get into this. This is Hyanka's first amplifier for their subwoofers. For the 15 and the 1200 watt, and let's go over everything. This is going to be probably one of the first videos on this, so let's get it. Hey guys, if you want to help the channel out, the affiliate links will be down in the description for Redodo Power, Power Queen, Slops Audio, Serwin Vega, and Big Jeff Audio. Go down in the description and you can go look at the code for 5% off on your order. Alright, back to video. Alright guys, this is what the box looks like. This is going to be the the 1500 watt RMS mono channel car audio amp, Class D. This is what it looks like. It's pretty nice. It comes with a bass knob, and yeah, let's get this thing open. Alright guys, let's go over a little specs real quick. So right here, RMS power at 4 ohms. This amp can do 656 watts RMS. At 2 ohms, we can do 1106 RMS, and at 1 ohm we can do 1635 watts RMS. We're going to be testing this in the car and see what it can do, not on the test bench but in real time, like musical tests and stuff. So let's get this thing out and see what it looks like. Opening it up here, it comes with the manual. This is the Aquarius series. We'll look at the manual here in a second, and let's get this amp out. Alright guys, taking it out of the box here, this is what it looks like. It is not very wide, but it is pretty long. I'll give you some dimensions here right now. About 5.5 inches wide and about 13.5 inches long. Alright guys, so I really do like the look on this amplifier. It is very nice. Let's turn it to the side and see what we're working with here. So on the input side, we have our ground, remote, and power wire. Normally the power wire is going to be right here, but in this one it's actually reversed. So this is the power, this is the ground. So be careful when you put in your power and ground, because that will get a lot of people, I'm pretty sure. Now the one thing I do really like about it, it is zero gauge terminals, guys. And the remote wire, it looks like it's 8 gauge, which is really nice to see. And the speaker wire, this 2 positive, 2 negative speaker wire, this is also going to be 8 gauge wire. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bridge it, put one right there, and probably put my SMD right there. And let's twist it over, see what the other side looks like. Guys, very nice, keeping it short and simple. So we got our remote. This is for the bass knob that comes with the amplifier. This is going to be your level input, so the RCA inputs. And there's only one pair, so you don't get confused or anything. This is going to be bass boost. It can go all the way up to 12 dB. I'm going to keep mine off. This is going to be the gain, low pass filter, and subsonic. So I'll probably set my low pass filter probably at like 60. And my gain, I'll set my gains in the car here in a second. And yeah, let's take this thing apart and look at the guts of the amplifier. Alright guys, so this is the guts of the amplifier. Now, I'm not a professional on amplifiers. Let me know if you are. Leave it in the comments down below what you see, if it's any good. And yeah, let me know. So yeah guys, I forgot to add, this amp is only $139 on Amazon. I'll pop it up on the screen. So we got the 1500 and the 1200. 1200 is I think $132 on Amazon. I'll leave links in the description for the Hyanka website and Amazon down below. Go check them out. And let's get this amp in the car and see how it actually sounds and how it performs to real life tests. So let's get it. All right, guys, let's take my March Digital 8K out and put the Hyanka in. See how it sounds. Got the Hyanka hooked up. We push in a little bit in the Hyanka 10-inch. I'll turn up the gain a little bit just to see how much this thing can take. Bass booms all the way off. That thing is Alright guys, so we saw what it can do with the Hyanka. Now let's see how much numbers we can push, and let's see how loud this thing gets with my main setup. Let's get it. Guys, this is what my amp is set to. Let's see if we can break the 140s. Alright, let's get it. Alright guys, let's see how loud this Hyanka 1500 watt can get. We're gonna do 30 hertz. I have my gain set pretty high just to see this max output. I know my subs can take it. I know for a fact they could take it. So let's get this shit. Let's see how much we could do at 30 hertz. All right, guys, we got I think I saw a 135, and let's see what we got. Absolutely blowing this amplifier. 1.2 ohms, 1532 watts, guys. That's crazy. Let's get the 35 watts. I mean hertz. All right, guys, let's see what it could do at 35 hertz. It blew through 1500 watts at 30 hertz. That's crazy. Let's get this shit. All right, guys, I saw a 137. Let's see what we got. 1.3 ohms, 1640 watts, guys. That's crazy. This thing is blowing its numbers. Let's get the 40 hertz and then 45 hertz and then final thoughts. All right, guys, 40 hertz. Let's get it. Alright guys, we got a 138.9 and we rose up to 1.7 ohms, 1349. So it's really liking the 30s hertz frequencies. So let's get the 45 hertz and see how much we can go. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna go and put in 43 hertz because that's what my setup is loudest at. And let's see if we can break the 140s on this 1500 watt Hyanka amp. My voltage is 14.38 right now, so let's get it. 43 hertz. 141.3. Let's see what watts we got. Wow, dude, we got I think the ohms are wrong, but we got 1456 watts. That's crazy, guys. And we did not drop in voltage basically at all. Guys, this thing's crazy. It's getting these numbers and it's only 1500 watts. That's crazy, guys. If you like this video and want to see the 1200 watt amplifier, guys, this is a steal. It's basically $140 and you get this. It has 0 gauge terminals, 4 speaker wire. Dude, it's honestly amazing. I really do like this. My subs are hooked to 0.5 ohm, so that really does help. But yeah, dude, this thing breaks its ratings. 1500 watts. It can push it no problem. Alright guys, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace, guys.
I think I'm the search, I'ma strap the bag on me, putting in the work, someone count the tags on me. I've been feeling hurt, all this disrespect on me, trying to make it worse, pulling up a text on me. I've been feeling fine.